Hello, in this short video I'll be explaining to you how to write a learner diary entry. As you know, there are no exams for this course. We'll be assessing you by portfolio, which you'll be storing on our Google Drive. And in that portfolio you'll be storing your lesson plans, um, your course plans and your learner diary entries. Um, the learner diary is a key component of the assessment because every week we'll be looking at what you write in your learner diary. We'll be looking at your reflections on what you're learning through the course. Reflection is a key 21st century skill because it's through reflection that we learn. It's through reflecting on our experiences that we learn and we develop as human beings. Um, so this is why we're so interested in seeing your reflections week by week on the material that you come up against during the course. This is an example of a learner diary. You don't have to follow this particular format. We're not very fussy about the format that you use. It can include very personal reflections, such as this uh, opening to this student teacher's learner diary. Oh no, I've known about teaching this math unit for about 3 weeks now. I'm still nervous. So that's a very emotional reflection, and you can include reflections like that. Or they could be more practical reflections, such as this one for lesson one. The goal for this first lesson was to discuss the importance of learning about money and how we use it on a daily basis. So it could be a very practical reflection, or it could be a more academic reflection, such as this one. Um, Parker J. Palmer speaks about teaching in the microcosm and placing the subject in the center of the learning space. So you might want to make references in your learner diary to the texts that we ask you to read. But what we're especially interested in is seeing that you're actually assimilating the knowledge that you read or that you see in the videos, and that you're developing as a result of your teaching experiences. That's what we're especially interested in. And we'll be giving you, as well as assessing you every week, giving you a grade, we will be giving you detailed feedback in order to help you to improve. So I hope this video has been useful. If you've got any questions, please do ask it through the WhatsApp group, because your questions will probably be of interest to the other participants on the course, okay? And we look forward to reading your entries in your learner diaries.